Hello everyone! Welcome to the Third Parent Academy's Recipes Galore. Today we will be making oatmeal scotchies. Let's get started. Our first priority is to set the oven to preheat at 375 degrees. These little morsels are the main ingredient. You can find the recipe for oatmeal scotchies right on the back of the package. Now, let's get started so we can find out why they make these cookies so yummy. Now that we have our oven preheating, we're going to combine our 1 1/4 cup of flour, which I've already measured out, and we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I like using the sea salt grinder. You can use regular salt if you like. And we need 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now we need to beat 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat in the flour mixture. Now it's time to add the oatmeal. I usually add a little bit at a time and stir because your cookie dough is quite thick by now. Add more oatmeal and continue to stir. Your dough is going to be really thick right about now. And now for the last of the oatmeal. It's all. And now for the best part of our recipe, the butterscotch morsels. And now we stir. Now that we have finished, I like lining my cookie sheet with parchment paper to keep the cookies from burning on the bottom. This particular brand of parchment paper allows you to cut it. If you look very closely, you can see the cutout lines right here. And you can cut it to fit the shape
of your cookie sheet.
I like using a teaspoon to scoop the cookie dough onto the cookie sheet, but you can use a professional scooper if you'd like. Time to go into the oven. They smell delicious. Now, let's set the timer for 8 minutes. If you like crunchier cookies, you can set it for 10. Yay! They're ready! Look at all this deliciousness. Yum. Can't wait to try them. Now I want to show you the bottom of these cookies. As promised, golden brown.